Punch you in your shit, bro. Keep pulling me. Pull me one more time. I don't care if I'm anti. If I got full health, don't pull me, bitch. Never pull me if I'm full health. Ever. Fuck! Why'd you pull me? Stop, bitch. Stop. Why'd you pull me? It's one Genji. One Genji. Damn, I thought I killed that.
How did I kill him? I didn't even try to shoot at him.
Mercy on a Genji. I think I'm scared of that shit. If I was a soldier, we'd have a problem. Marissa, you're some ass cheeks.
Hit him with it. I'm just like her. Damn. I was just like her right there. Yeah, every heal on the man on that nigga. Come on.
Echo, ain't nobody worried about your bitch ass. That's just me being honest.
He's so low.
Go for that res, Mercy.
Oh my god, you getting killed right now.
That's because I'm blocking her so she can't res. Why'd you pull me?
Crazy right now.
So you're fucking.
It's one Genji. One Genji. Me anti against the Genji with a Mercy? I'm not tripping. I'm winning that. Every day of the week. Twice on Thursdays.
Man, I hear you.
I missed.
Oh. Behind you. Hey, goes behind you. I gotta reload.
I'm asleep. I'm asleep. Bitch, don't ever wake me up to no fucking spirit in my face.
Oh. Almost left him. I missed it.
That nigga, bro.
So low.
Fuck! Why'd you pull me? Stop, bitch. Stop. If I'm not low, don't pull me. I don't care. You think I'm scared of a Genji when I'm anti, bro? Don't do that shit.
Oh.
Look, but you didn't pull him. You ain't pull him.
I did though.
The fight was already over. I'll punch you in your shit, bro. Keep pulling me. Pull me one more time. I don't care if I'm anti. If I got full health, don't pull me, bitch. Never pull me if I'm full health. Ever.
What?
Oh, GG.
Akari, I'm a good pick against the Ana because her anti don't really do shit.
Where's up and how you in that corner, bow break?
Nah, I got her. I wanted her to come. Why are you still holding that bitch? Why was she still holding it?
Oh, they are low there. Hey, man.
Go.
Who is that?
Go.
With me, I don't know where they are. Oh shit!
There's somebody with it.
There's a car. I was fucking them up. I tried to get you out of there.
I popped the corner and I see a big ass.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it. What? I'm gonna go ahead and switch. I'm gonna go ahead and switch. I got my nano for the first time.
Big ass really big ass.
Oh, you said it.
Mercy!
Oh my god, no, y'all walk down.
Where you going, bitch? Get back here!
Okay, yeah.
You nano me, I'm gonna make sure to go crazy.
So who on my body?
I got you. Y'all not dying on my watch.
Alright, cool. Let me.
Holy shit.
So I can actually get some healing done.
I got you. Don't worry. I got you. Drop down, bitch. Drop down. Alright, where you going?
Shut up.
Drop down, bitch.
Right. Oh yeah.
Hey, teleport me up there, sir.
I'm with you, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
There you go.
Hey!
That nigga dead.
Don't jump at me. He ain't know I was over here. So dumbass. He anti-ing me. Don't do shit. Which I don't understand.
Yo, can we get the Widowmaker though?
This nigga is like his job is to handle the support.
Hey, that bitch is one hit. Help.
Sorry, you're dead.
Oh my god.
I got frozen. Just like you. Just go to Soldier, right? When in doubt, just go to fucking Soldier.
That man beat a Reaper 1-on-1. Can't beat me though. Can't beat me though. Can't beat me though.
Did it maybe come back to the payload?
I got put to sleep. Pull me now.
This nigga, but... Oh my god.
I'm gonna pull out. Don't pull out.
You missed that sleep dart. Oh, I got stuck on the payload. I got stuck on the payload, bro. Bitch, I'm on the payload. I wasted my ult to their ass. I stay on the payload. I'm going for him. Soldier, he's one hit. Pop his ass. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Free kills. Free kills.
Oh yeah, set him down then.
I'm like that. I'm like that.
He left the game?
Well,
Alright.
we just gotta hold him down. That's not gonna be as hard. You're not me, Junker Queen. You're not. I mean, it's not gonna be as hard as pushing that bitch. I'll tell you that right now.
You solo?
I'm fucking that Junker Queen up.
Yeah, you might have got it.
And they got an immortality. They're cheesy, bro. They're cheesy. An immortality with a 4v5? Come on now.
So, what's the plan there?
Survive.
I don't think we're gonna win this.
Oh,
Look at what's happening right now.
Plan is take out these small bitches.
Yo, get off my back.
That's their plan right there. I can't.
I got it. Oh my god.
I'm not getting no heals.
I'm about to go fight one nigga. Yes sir. Yes sir, go crazy then. No, I just faded away. There's no way. Yeah, never mind. Let me come back. Ain't gonna lie. Never mind. Come back. Let me come two niggas.
Hey!
Fuck. This Junker Queen is ass. She ain't got shit on me. Oh shit.
He was at the bottom? I'm trying to heal Soldier, and I get smacked for the hole. Never know, bro.
Get back, get back, get back. Or not. Do whatever the fuck you want inside the game.
Man, what's all you doing with it? Find ain't aiming at.
I'm right around the corner. Teleport over there. Go over there. There you go.
Kill that Reaper! You're behind him, you shitty bitch! Got Thesis up top. That bitch got res. Are you fucking kidding me? That bitch got res.
Holy! How do I have 15 kills?
Bro, you better not res me right there, you fucking hoe.
Hey, he's gonna die with me.
Like, we got the tank diff. We got the tank matchup that we want. Look at that. She's ass.
Echo is right behind us. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm alive.
I ate them shits. The amount of ass that their Junker Queen is like crazy. Yeah, out of there, Genji. Fucking immortality.
What happened to y'all?
Got the res.
That's all.
Oh my god, man.
Hey, just keep healing me. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move from this payload, Jay. I gotta reload. Hey, stay on the payload.
Oh, yes, sir. I don't know what just happened, but alright. Everything I had was going to you, nigga. Everything I had was. I was ball right there if I could've. Oh my, I lay down.
I thought we left the payload. I got scared.
I'm not good on payload. Don't ask me, dude. I'm saying my bucket.
Got bitch ass. Yeah, waste immortality.
Shit. I love it.
Go for that res, bitch. Yes, sir. I ain't allowing no res tap on my watch.
Chop to your right, chop to your right, chop to your right. Be careful. I'm showing, I got you.
Orisa, don't make it too easy for me now.
You're not. You're not. You're not, just.
There we go, okay. Now let me tee back up. This guy is ass.
Oh my god, bro, she is targeting me 100%. I ain't gonna lie. They're gonna spear me 3 times. Yo, there's no way I'm not getting targeted. Adios, sort of.
Like, y'all two in the same room together over there buying each other dick. I ain't hearing shit of them.
Dumbass, I just walked right up out that bitch. I just walked right up out that bitch. What you gonna do about it?
Oh my god, yo, she is like Olympic javelin thrower with that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie.
I waited for him to spear me. You fucked up throwing that spear, bitch. McCree's one hit. Get him.
You missed it, get her. Get her.
Oh my god, Orisa thinks she's that bitch. But she's not, because I'm that motherfucker from around the block. Okay. Give me extra kill, bitch. Bingo! That's what you call God stats, my boys. Their tank passed me up in damage.
On the dot.
Their tank passed me up in damage because fucking there was only 4 of us. You're so ass. Letting us win that. Change what? Oh my god.
Who was it they nerfed? They nerfed somebody. I forgot who it was.
They always nerf everybody.
No, oh, they nerfed
Fuck.
Discord. Like slightly though. Wasn't like a big nerf.
Hey Glenn.
Dumbass.
Should have listened.
Guess who you playing against right now?
That motherfucker just got the rest.
No. No.
Just for me to kill that bitch again, that's what stay hard
So what?
gets.
He's a good enough. I feel good at what?
I'll let them run, fuck it. Got his dumbass. Throw some heals my way.
No, you might be alright actually. Hello.
About me?
Hello. 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 What? Hello. Hello.
Get behind me, Dre. Get out of here.
Yeah, give it.
Okay.
Get out of here, Dre.
I can hear you, but I was just a little busy getting fucking shot in every direction known to man. Up, down, left, right, behind me.
I was trying to take the shot from you.
He hit that shit? What the fuck?
Heading back out, that's what hamster was doing.
Bruh.
Dirty.
Fucking.
That was nice. Where you get down from?
How the hell is he?
Me? Avengers 1.
Shit, bro. This is all I like.
You're like, it's coming out. You're talking about the big guy, the big worm looking shit. Dumb peons. Fuck.
I think it's solo. No? It's alright, but.
Yeah, but Zakari see there, Overwatch, you already know what he's happening. I heard his ult pop, yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Him too now.
I'm like that. Come here.
Pick up your feet, you drongos.
Where you running, bitch? Younger Queen is just OP as fuck.
Oh, bro. Here. I'm dead. Just die.
Dumbass.
What's he on the hill, huh? That's where you going right now? That's where you going right?
Just an extra kill for me.
Yeah, my friend have to switch, man. Let me know right now. Surprisingly, it's working pretty well. I don't know.
Extra kill for me. Cause I am going kind of crazy. Ain't gonna lie. Don't go to Genji.
Yeah, come on. I like that. Yeah.
Pussy.
No. Don't run now.
Bro, he should not be able to.
He is going crazy right now, bro.
Bro, cause he can deflect my shit. Like, not deflect it, but it won't hurt me for some fucking reason.
Claiming the
He's,
JR?
he's not doing
I
shit.
don't know. No, the fuck you don't. That shit trash. I'm not finishing my bullshit.
Dumbass.
Y'all can finish that shit. I think Halo is so fucking hard.
Hey, since the two of us play Halo 1 and 2.
Genji, I'm telling you, I don't give a fuck about you.
Yeah, where you going? Come here. We in there.
He started pushing up a little bit too much. I had to sit his ass down. His dumb
Nigga
ass.
already knows the boxes.
This is what you call tinking.
I already got the box. Knows where it is.
Genji, you can't just come here and start deflecting, cause nobody's even shooting at you, bitch. That's how you anti all of them. So her fucking ult don't do shit. Her ult wasn't doing shit. I countered that bitch.
Yo, this dude is fucking annoying, bro. Oh my god.
They're on the point.
Oh, they're on the point.
pick up your feet, you drongos.
Weird ass nigga, bro.
Nigga.
Like, yeah, she got him some room, but if he was smart, he would have went for me.
Yo, soldier, what the hell?
How long do I been on?
It's over.
With soldier, and then he just straight up stop shooting him, and I get lit.
We just shit on them. 26-1. I love the healing. 2 and 8.
And then I had 4,000 damage.
Soldier does hella damage.